Ramsmobile ERM X2. The Ramsmobile ERM X2 is an ultra-rare masterpiece built for those who want both extreme power and unmatched luxury. Designed with a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, it's incredibly strong yet lightweight, making it nearly indestructible on any terrain. Its body is coated with Teflon in key areas to resist mud and dirt, keeping it clean even after the roughest rides. The advanced air suspension offers a massive 12 inches of travel, and a laser sensor automatically adjusts the height to ensure a smooth and stable drive on all surfaces. You can choose from 3 powerhouse options: a 6.2 LLT5, a 6.6L V8 Duramax, or a fully electric version. Inside, it feels futuristic with glowing red ambient lights, plush leather seats, multiple digital screens, and seating for 4 or 6. For ultimate safety, it offers optional B6 and B7 armor protection. With only 12 ever made, it starts at $1 million. Sinister 6. The Sinister 6 is a revolutionary off-road machine built to push the limits of power, performance, and design. With its aggressive stance and 6-wheel drive system, it delivers unmatched traction, balance, and control across even the harshest terrains. Every detail of the Sinister 6 is crafted for adventure, from its high-performance engine that roars with strength to its advanced suspension system that absorbs shocks effortlessly, ensuring a smooth ride over rocks, mud, or sand. Inside, the cabin combines rugged functionality with refined comfort, featuring premium materials, modern tech, and driver-focused controls that make every journey as comfortable as it is thrilling. Whether conquering mountains, deserts, or forest trails, the Sinister 6 merges brute power with luxury craftsmanship. It's not just an off-road vehicle, it's a statement of dominance and innovation, built for those who crave freedom, adrenaline, and exploration without limits. Corvette concept. The Chevrolet Corvette C8 is a stunning example of modern automotive engineering, blending supercar-level performance with the comfort and practicality needed for everyday driving. Continuing the legendary Corvette legacy that began in the 1950s, this model introduced a bold mid-engine design, placing the powerful V8 engine behind the driver for improved balance, speed, and handling. Known as one of the most powerful production Stingrays ever built, the Corvette C8 delivers an impressive 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transaxle, it offers rapid acceleration and an exciting driving experience that rivals far more expensive supercars. What truly makes the Corvette stand out is its ability to combine high-end performance with affordability and everyday usability. With its aggressive styling, advanced technology, and thrilling power, the Corvette C8 represents the evolution of American performance car culture while staying true to the spirit that made the Corvette iconic for generations. Hexhog ATV. Why not use advanced off-road technology to improve mobility for people with disabilities? The Hexhog ATV, developed in the UK, is designed exactly for that purpose. Its standout feature is a powerful 6x6 wheel configuration, which allows it to handle rough terrain with ease. Thanks to this design, the vehicle can climb slopes smoothly, avoid getting stuck in mud, and even travel through shallow water without trouble. After all the modifications, the Hexhog weighs around 617 pounds and can reach a top speed of approximately 9.3 miles per hour. It is operated using a programmable joystick, making it simple and accessible to control. Powered by an electric motor, the ATV takes about 2 hours to fully charge. This innovative all-terrain wheelchair starts at a price of around $30,000, offering a unique blend of independence and adventure for its users. Overossen TV 10000. The Overossen TV 10000 is a powerhouse designed for extreme snow clearing at large and demanding sites, such as airports and industrial areas. Built with a strong, purpose-driven chassis, it offers excellent visibility from its forward position cab, giving operators a clear view of their work. Its robust mobility lets it tackle heavy snow with ease, moving confidently through even the toughest conditions. With a clearing capacity of around 10,000 tons per hour, it handles massive snow volumes efficiently. The intuitive, vibration-reducing controls make operating this machine smoother and more comfortable, blending raw power with operator ease. Perfect for large-scale winter operations, the TV10000 delivers both reliability and performance, ensuring snow is cleared quickly, safely, and effectively, no matter how harsh the weather. Burlak ATV. Imagine a vehicle that doesn't stop where the road ends. The Burlak ATV is built for those who dare to go further. With its ultra-low pressure tires and heavy-duty chassis, it doesn't just drive, it floats across swamps, powers through snow, and rolls smoothly over sand and rivers. What makes it stand out? Its powerful engine ensures you'll never feel stuck, while the spacious cabin can be customized for almost anything, hauling gear, carrying passengers, or even transforming into a mobile base for exploration. Whether you're chasing adventure in the wilderness, hunting in remote terrain, or working in demanding jobs like construction and rescue, this ATV delivers. Reliable, adaptable, and unstoppable, the Burlak ATV is more than a vehicle, it's your survival partner in extreme conditions. When others turn back, the Burlak keeps moving forward. Cycleboard X Quad 3000. The Cycleboard X Quad 3000 is a true game-changer in the world of all-terrain electric vehicles. Priced at $4,095, it delivers impressive power, stability, and versatility in one rugged machine. Its four-wheel independent double wishbone suspension allows you to glide smoothly over rough trails, gravel paths, grass, and uneven terrain without losing balance or control. Built tough with advanced engineering, it's designed to handle real outdoor adventures. One of its standout features is Golf Mode, specially tuned for golf courses with low speed, high torque, and automatic electronic braking, plus a custom golf bag mount for easy convenience. The X Quad 3000 also offers practical cargo options, including a front rack and rear basket, making it ideal for carrying tools, gear, or supplies. Integrated front and rear lights ensure safe riding at night, while the patented linkage steering system provides precise control. A custom grip pad adds extra traction, giving you confidence on every ride. Severtrux Profi. The Severtrux Profi is a beast of an all-terrain vehicle built to dominate the toughest landscapes on Earth. Whether you're navigating deep snow, marshy swamps, or jagged rocky paths, you can customize its power with either a Cummins ISF 2.8 engine for reliable 120 horsepower performance or a beefier Toyota 2JZ FE that kicks out 220 horsepower, with fuel consumption ranging from 15 to 35 liters per 100 kilometers based on how hard you're pushing it. Its massive 3-axle design and low-pressure tires provide incredible stability and ground clearance, ensuring it doesn't get bogged down where standard trucks would fail. Inside, the cabin is surprisingly spacious and comfortable, making it the perfect mobile base for scientific teams, rescue crews, or anyone hauling heavy gear through the middle of nowhere. Rugged, dependable, and engineered for extreme climates, the Profi is the ultimate workhorse for professionals who need a vehicle that simply refuses to quit. Almec BB850BL. The Almec BB850BL tracked scissor lift is a powerful and flexible machine built to perform in tough and demanding environments. Thanks to its crawler track system, it can easily move across difficult surfaces like mud, gravel, or uneven ground while staying stable and secure. Its patented track plates provide extra grip, even in challenging weather such as rain or snow, helping ensure safe and reliable operation. The lift is equipped with automatic leveling and outriggers, which add another layer of stability and make it suitable for harsher work conditions. Powered by an electric battery, it delivers efficient and quiet performance, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. One of its standout features is the ability to move slowly and safely even when fully elevated, giving operators better control. Overall, the BB850BL combines strength, safety, and adaptability, making it an excellent choice for complex job sites where performance truly matters. Terrain Hopper. The Terrain Hopper is a revolutionary off-road electric wheelchair designed to give people with disabilities the freedom to explore the outdoors with confidence and independence. Unlike traditional mobility devices, it's built like a rugged all-terrain vehicle, capable of handling rough paths, hills, sand, and mud with ease. Its open-frame design not only ensures safety with protective bars around the seat but also provides easy access through a lifting mechanism that allows the seat to rotate up to 90 degrees, making entry and exit simple. Powered by an efficient electric motor, the Terrain Hopper can reach speeds of up to 19 km per hour, offering both excitement and reliability. Its independent adjustable suspension system enhances comfort on uneven terrain, adapting instantly to changing ground conditions. More than just a mobility aid, the Terrain Hopper empowers users to lead a more active, adventurous lifestyle, breaking barriers and proving that the thrill of off-road exploration should be accessible to everyone. Straight Up Racing Major Pain. Straight Up Racing's Major Pain is a true powerhouse built for pure, high-octane thrills. This monster truck isn't your average ride. It's based on a classic 1934 Ford sedan, but that's where classic ends. Instead of the usual massive wheels, Major Pain runs on tracks, making it perfectly designed for jaw-dropping monster jam action. Think intense off-road racing, huge jumps, and insane stunts that push the limits. Under the hood sits a diesel Dart 540 engine pumping out around 675 horsepower. In stock form alone, that's more than enough power to dominate brutal terrain and conquer just about anything in its path. Bolt Motors Bulldog. The Bolt Motors Bulldog is built for riders who want excitement without harming the environment. Designed by Snow Dog LLC, this electric bike delivers a powerful yet peaceful riding experience. Its quiet operation lets you truly connect with nature, whether you're exploring forest trails or countryside paths. Powered by two strong electric motors and a built-in charger, the Bulldog can travel between 30 to 45 miles on a single charge, making it reliable for both short trips and longer adventures. Its tough construction includes hydraulic disc brakes for confident stopping power, a telescopic inverted front fork for stability, and a rear monoshock absorber that keeps the ride smooth even on rough terrain. The Bulldog is also highly customizable, with options like extra batteries, a storage box, and even a specially designed trailer. With a top speed of 32 miles per hour and an impressive 220 Nm of torque, this bike handles different terrains with ease. The Bulldog isn't just transportation, it's your ticket to new outdoor adventures. Super Villain SX20 Hybrid. The Villain SX20 Hybrid is a revolutionary off-road machine from Segway Powersports. It runs on a unique hybrid powertrain that combines a powerful 2.0 TGDI engine with a 70 kilowatts electric motor. Together, they deliver an impressive 330 horsepower and 570 Nm of torque. Thanks to this setup, the SX20 can hit a top speed of 150 km per hour with lightning-fast acceleration right from the start. Step inside, and you're greeted with a high-tech cabin featuring a redesigned steering wheel, paddle shifters, and customizable ambient lighting. The vehicle also comes equipped with an advanced smart command system, giving you complete control. You can track real-time vehicle data, navigate effortlessly, stream your favorite music, fine-tune app settings, and even adjust the level of energy recovery. The Super Villain SX20 Hybrid isn't just about driving, it's about pushing past limits and unlocking entirely new adventures. Barrico 6x6. The Barrico 6x6 is what you get when Czech and German engineers come together to create a true apocalypse-ready machine. Built on the foundation of a Chevrolet Silverado, it's heavily modified with the addition of a third axle, turning it into a massive 3.5-ton beast designed to handle the harshest conditions imaginable. Under the hood, the standard engine produces around 414 horsepower, but for those who want extreme performance, it can be upgraded to an astonishing 986 horsepower with an additional cost. What really sets this vehicle apart is its six-wheel, all-wheel drive system, delivering incredible traction and unmatched off-road capability. It also comes with a range of optional features including race-grade brakes, a performance exhaust system, protective skid plates, and both front and rear winches for serious recovery situations. Despite its rugged, almost military-like presence, the Barrico 6X6 remains fully street legal, making it one of the most unique and powerful off-road machines you can actually drive on public roads. Avtoros Shaman 8x8. The Avtoros Shaman 8x8 is not your typical off-road vehicle. It's a machine built to conquer the harshest environments on Earth. Powered by a strong 4-cylinder diesel engine, it comfortably carries up to 8 passengers, making it perfect for group expeditions. What truly sets it apart are its enormous low-pressure tires, designed to glide over sand, snow, mud, and rocky terrain with impressive stability. One of its most unique features is crab mode, which allows the vehicle to move sideways, giving it exceptional maneuverability in tight or tricky spaces. It's also fully amphibious, meaning it can drive straight into water and navigate across it without difficulty. The Shaman offers 3 different driving modes to adapt to changing terrain, and its central captain-style driving seat gives the driver full control and visibility. With a price exceeding €250,000, this custom-built powerhouse is made for serious adventurers who demand capability without limits. 250 HP supercharged 2026 Kawasaki Turix 5H2. The 2026 Kawasaki Turix 5H2 is a game-changer in the sport side-by-side world. With 253 horsepower from its 999cc supercharged inline-4 engine, it's the most powerful factory SXS ever built. Offered in 3 versions, 4-seat, 4-seat Deluxe S, and 5-seat Deluxe S, the Canadian market gets the 5-seat Deluxe, featuring a rear bench with retractable 4-point harnesses for 3 passengers, a first in the sport segment. The chassis is rigid tubular steel with a low ROP cage, huge Fox 3.0 shocks, and Kawasaki's KECS electronically controlled suspension, providing smooth, stable handling over rough terrain. Its CVT belt transmission delivers uninterrupted power, while the gear-driven supercharger ensures instant, linear boost. The interior is refined and functional, with aggressively bolstered seats, a 10-inch Garmin touchscreen, full-color digital display, and premium steering controls. With massive 33-inch tires, true beadlock wheels, and class-leading ride quality, the Trax H2 blends insane power, comfort, and 5-seat practicality like no other.